With the desire to have a mortgage-free home, Jaimie and Dave chose to build a shipping container home. They purchased a small piece of land and spent about $80,000 turning two metal boxes into beautiful and comfy living spaces in Southwest Washington, USA. The budget was restricted as they did most of the work by themselves. Stay tuned to find out how this gorgeous container home surrounded by nature was brought to life. This gorgeous shipping container house was constructed from one 40-foot shipping container with a 20-footer stacked on top to create an impressive and fully featured tiny home. The house is nestled on a gently sloping site, sitting on a concrete foundation to elevate the containers away from moisture. The container's sidewalls did not touch the foundation. Cedar shims were used to wedge between the container I-beams and the foundation wall to displace the massive weight of the containers. On the inside, the container walls were framed with timber, insulated with spray foam, and lined with plasterboard throughout, ready for interior fittings and finishings. The remaining space on the first floor serves as a roof deck, with two small roofed sections that protects the deck on both levels. Because of the sloping site, a gravel driveway leads to the front of the house, with four wooden steps to a sheltered front deck. The interior design of this lovely nest is bright and beautifully decorated with lots of personality. The lounge area is a lovely space fitted with a fireplace, which gives a relaxing ambiance and keeps the house warm when the weather gets chilly. The space is beautifully furnished with a love seat facing the fireplace, on which the couple can enjoy a hot cup of chocolate or coffee as they lounge. Past the lounge area is a fully fitted kitchen with full-size kitchen appliances, a nicely finished backsplash, wood-crafted kitchen cabinets complete with granite countertops with a small peninsula that doubles as the dining table. The glass kitchen window gives natural light to the kitchen space to create a well-lit kitchen. Off the kitchen is a surprisingly spacious bathroom. It features a walk-in shower, toilet, sink, and storage cabinets. Next to the bathroom is a walk-in closet and a well-arranged pantry. A metal spiral staircase leads to the upper floor of the house. Upstairs is a master bedroom furnished with a king-size bed, a seating area, a bookshelf, and a TV. The bedroom is fitted with adequately sized windows on every facade, which extends the bedroom, creating a feel of space, and also offers maximum daylighting. The bedroom also has a ceiling fan to aid in air movement for maximum indoor thermal comfort. The bedroom is fitted with a full glass door that opens directly onto a spacious private terrace, expanding the interior space to the great outdoors. Another beautiful sight is the abundance of mini planters found everywhere on the shipping container house. The interior is painted light to make space appear bigger and brighter, eliminating that claustrophobic feel of living in a container box. An external staircase with a metal railing provides a direct access to the rooftop deck where you can sit and enjoy your morning coffee and dinner. The grooves of the raw shipping container walls are visible throughout the exterior, which adds to the industrial language of the design. The exterior is repainted with a bright, sassy orange, making the building an architectural masterpiece that cannot be ignored. Outdoor sitting areas are also added so that the couple gets the most out of their sunny afternoons and beautiful views. The shipping container doesn't have a roof, but a unique rust-steel roof is used to create a dry space over both the deck and the front door. The foliage of the surrounding trees provide the much-needed shade to keep the container exterior cool during hot weather. Apart from the gorgeous shipping container home, the outdoors are nicely landscaped, with a vegetable patch and a workshop building. At a small budget of $80,000, this tiny container home is the epitome of sustainability. Which part of this amazing house appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel for weekly videos on amazing shipping container projects from around the world. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Information source and photo credits belong to the respective owners.